So have a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the AC/DCs performing all kinds of electrical malfunctions, sending me on the highway to the workshop.
That meant if you put the thing in park, it's not coming out of park. This whole thing started as an occasional ESP warning 8 months earlier that I did nothing about. And when I impromptu showed up at my dealer, I ended up blocking their service entrance.
So you had it for the weekend?
Mm-hmm. And it didn't do a thing.
So the MB mechanic, great guy by the way for putting up with me, he's working on the poor baby. The light show is on, and he gets behind the passenger footwell. Here you can see a CAN distributor. You can see it labeled here. Now the mechanic starts interrogating this CAN, and when he pulls the wire responsible for the steering system, the music stops. The malfunctions go away, the car is shiftable, and the dials go back to normal. The Mercedes verdict: an electro-hydraulic power steering module needs replacing. Ouch. Plus, they said this one looks like it was previously tampered with. And for the whole ordeal, knowing the fix itself would go to the Indy, they charged me an hour of diagnostic and they gave me a CLA for the weekend. On the house. How's that for a generous story? You know, this is a very stylish car. How many sedans do you see with fenders like this?